The Framadol 4-way bracing bracket is used to make 4-way and 3-way connections in your raised garden bed. It's most commonly used to install a cross timber on multi-level raised garden bed designs. Right here we have our 4-way brackets. 4 of these brackets come together for a 4-way connection, and if we break this apart, we'll see that each half is made of a top sleeve and a midsection sleeve. Whenever you're using these 4-way brackets on a single joint, you'll always have to use these two pieces in order to make at least a 3-way connection or a 4-way connection. To make a 3-way connection, you'll take your top sleeve and your midsection 4-way sleeve, and you'll take one of our normal stacking brackets and connect them as so. If you want to make a 4-way connection, you'll just do the composition that I showed earlier with 4 4-way brackets. When you're connecting these, make sure that you always have a top and a midsection sleeve. If you try to connect 2 top sleeves together, there'll be no place for the stacking bracket on a 3-way connection. If you try to connect 2 midsections together, then you'll have to make a 4-way connection. If you've connected your 4-way bracket in the wrong orientation, it's very easy to remove the snap lock plugs and flip that bracket around. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. Simply take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the openings found on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and put firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. This will loosen the nub so that you'll be able to remove it. And all you have to do at this point is just remove the other side, firm pressure into the snap lock plug, twist up, and now you can remove your bracket and flip it around to the correct orientation.